Welcome back to Mac's Barbecue Team. Today we cooked a whole chicken on our Weber kettle. Douglas injected it with Lawrys herb and garlic marinade. He had both the light and the dark meats. Then we took the excess marinade and we just dumped it all over the chicken and refrigerated it for 4 hours. Once we pulled it out, we hit it with some dry rub. It was Weber roasted garlic and herb.
We got our grill set up for indirect cooking. We got our water pan in the middle. Grill's up to temp. We're gonna throw the chicken on, and our grill time is, our estimated grill time is an hour and a half.
After 45 minutes of cooking, we flipped it around to ensure even cooking. Then we cooked it another 45 minutes. The breast temped out about 165, 170. The legs temped out about 180. We kept the Weber grill around 350 for most of the cook. The last 10-15 minutes I opened the vents up, try to get it pretty hot to crisp up the skin. It worked out really good. The skin was great. Nice, crunchy, crispy skin. The Weber seasoning helped with that. The injection was super flavorful. The chicken was really moist, and it did have a slight sweet flavor because of the injection. Alright, we're going to do a quick taste of our garlic and herb chicken. We got to hurry up because dinner's going. Our asparagus is almost done. So let's try it out. Alright, yeah, that's super good. Man, this might be the best chicken we've cooked.
Yeah.
Alright, garlic and herb, Lawry's marinade, and garlic and herb Weber dry rub. Great combination.